Good morning, children. I am your English teacher. See, children, we'll be having from Monday, that is 26th onwards, periodic assessment 1. So, today I'll be doing English revision for you all, the pattern, how it comes for your test, children. So, this is English revision class. Section A, you'll be having reading, children. You may think, what is reading? You have to read the passage given below and answer the following questions there. I have already taught you this in the class. So one story will be given here. Following, you will be having 4 or 5 question and answers will be there. You have to read the story carefully and then read the question and write the answer. So for this 4 question, each question carries half a mark. So 4 questions, you will have this reading for 2 marks, children. This has been taught and the passages is being given in your class. So please go through those passages, children. And second main, you will be having writing. In section A, this is first one is reading and the second one is writing. Here in writing you will have grammar from the English channel, that is English course book you will have, and from your practice book also you have to read for the test, children. So writing grammar here using do or have before these words. See, you should use do or have before these words. I will be giving you here some words and before that you have to write either do or have, you have to add, children. See, here an example I have given you. Have an adventure. See, I will be giving you dash an adventure. So here it is have an adventure. The second one is also I have given you dash fun. Have fun. You cannot say do fun. So have fun. So like this you will be having 4 sentences here for your test. This is examples I have shown you here, children. And the next main is match the columns to show the meanings. A column, B column will be there. You have to match the meanings with the B column. A will be the words. You have to match it with the B, and each one will carry half a mark. So 4 will be there. For that 2 marks it is, children. And next, change these affirmative sentences into negative sentences. What is affirmative sentence here? See, children, it is nothing but an affirmative sentence will be like Don's horse was fat. You have to change it into negative sentences using not or never. So here the answer is Don's horse was not fat. You are adding not here. So like this 4 sentences will be given. This is an example. Each one carries half a mark again here. So 4 sentences you will have for 2 marks. That is, change these affirmative sentences into negative sentences using not or never. I have taught you this also and I have made you write in the classwork. Please go through all those grammar things, parts what we have done, children. And next one is complete the sentences using question tags. Example, she has a pet cat. You have to ask a question there. So, you will be asking, does she? You are going to write only, does she? You are not going to ask, does she has a pet and all. No. The answer is, does she? She has a pet cat. You have to write only question tag here, that is, does she? So this also carries half a mark each. You will be having 4 sentences here. So again half into 4, 2 marks, children. So in the section A, you will be having reading 2 marks, grammar you will be having for 8 marks. Writing part you will have for 8 marks, children here. So in this grammar you will be having do or have you have to use, then match the columns, then change the affirmative into negative, and then the last one will be using question tags. So this carries 10 marks over here, children. And in the section B, you will be having answer the following questions. See, 5 questions will be given to you all and you have to write any 4 questions only there. So the first question here is, what did Don Curte think the windmills were? Why did he think so? So here you are going to write. So children, here the first question is, what did Don Quixote think the windmills were? Why did he think so? The first question. The second question here is, describe Don Quixote's adventure with the windmill. Third question, how did he explain to Sancho why he was fighting a windmill? Fourth question, why did he ask Sancho for the magic bowl? Fifth question, when did Don Quixote say he would be ready for his next adventure? So children, here 5 questions is being given. You have to write any 4 questions. Each question carries 2 marks, that is 8 marks, children. Total 18 marks. So here if you write everything neatly, you will be getting 2 marks. So 18 plus 2, 20. 20 marks is for your English test. Did you all understand, children? You will be having section A and section B. In section A, you will have a passage and grammar part you will be having. In section B, you will be having only question and answers. So all the best. Do well for your test. Read all this revision questions pattern I have given you. So please prepare yourself for your test, children. Thank you all. Have a nice day.